Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. So in today's video we will see how to install any Ubuntu or Linux operating system as a WSL in your Windows operating system. So I am currently running Windows 11 and I want to install Ubuntu in my Windows 11. So I can use some applications from Ubuntu also. So it is a cross platform where you can use any Linux or Debian based software in your Windows system. So let's get started. First, you have to do required things. So I'll search for features and here you have to turn Windows feature on and off. So we'll turn two required features on. So scroll down and make sure you enable Windows subsystem for Linux and virtual machine platform. So after this, if you have not enabled this feature, your system may restart once. So click on just restart and click OK. So that first step you have to do and it will take 3 to 4 minutes to restart. Now second thing, Windows subsystem for Linux is installed and we want to install the Ubuntu operating system. For that, open your CMD and then here type WSL minus minus list available. Sorry, minus minus list online. So it will show the operating system which are available to install. So here Alpine, Linux, Fedora and Ubuntu are available. I will install Ubuntu 24.04. So just type WSL minus minus install Ubuntu minus 24.04. So I want to install this. I'll hit enter and it is downloading Ubuntu 24.04. Now distribution successfully installed. It can be launched via wsl.exe -d. So we can launch it directly from start menu also. If you search for Ubuntu, it will show you the version Ubuntu 24.04. So here we have to create user. I'll erase this name and I'll write my name Om and I'll also give password Om, confirm password. And now here we have the terminal for Ubuntu and from here also you can choose the Ubuntu terminal. So before that we have to update sudo apt update and apt upgrade. So sudo apt install gimp. I'll click yes. So try to launch GIMP and see here we can launch GIMP directly from the terminal. So now the application which I am running GIMP 2.10 is from my Ubuntu operating system and I can do image editing here. So you can switch this tab also. You can go to your Chrome. You can use, see here is the Linux logo. So you have to keep open this terminal. This is Windows terminal. I can close it. So you have to keep open this terminal and you can use any Linux software inside your Windows operating system. So it means sidewise you are running Ubuntu also and you are running Windows also. So in this way you can install and use other applications in Linux also. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video.